Now to create end conditions, I'm going to right click, add new component, end condition. I'm going to click on my first point. I'm going to go ahead and give this the component name cut. It's going to seek the active surface. I'm going to want to put a 6-foot sidewalk and boulevard area here first that's not going to seek intersection with the surface. So I'm going to turn check for intersection off, and I'm going to use the horizontal distance and slope key in for 6 feet at a 2%. And hit enter, and it placed the point. And now I want to go ahead and check for intersection. I want the end condition to infinitely go up. So my horizontal distance doesn't really matter here. I'm just going to do 5. Then I want to go at a 33% to seek intersection with the existing ground. Right click and choose finish when I'm done with that. Last thing I want to do here is place a sidewalk component underneath my end condition here. And to do that, I'm going to right click, add new component, simple. I want to start at this point here, 4 right, and go back 3 feet to construct my sidewalk. So first of all, I'm going to name my component. I'm going to give it a different style. And the first thing I want to do is give it a -3 width. That'll push it back toward the center line. You can see that it flips the component. And my slope is a positive 2%, just as I entered in on the end condition. And we'll maintain that 6-inch thickness. Now as I go and hover over the point, it'll snap to that point and merge the points. Now I do not want that sidewalk placed unless my cut end condition solves, so I'm going to right click, edit component, and I'm going to set its parent component equal to my cut end condition and hit apply. And that means that the sidewalk component will not be placed unless the cut component is placed. I would do the same procedure with a fill slope. I would come down off of 2%, then 33%. I would create another sidewalk component and make it a child of the fill component. Now to test, I clicked on the test button, and that brought up our test end conditions dialog. If I highlight my active surface and hit draw, we'll see that when my surface is above the template, it'll draw my cut condition and it'll draw my sidewalk. When my surface drops below, the sidewalk is not placed. And what I'll need to do is go back and edit the template and make this the cut left the parent of that sidewalk. And that's how to create a simple template from scratch.